Hey guys, and welcome to Khaos Cleaning Solutions, where we are helping families remove chaos and restore order to any space. Here is the before transformation pictures. And this is what the client asked us to remove from the front of the property. The house is being prepared to sell, so we got the front of the house looking immaculate. I had to buy a few things from the store, and this is the supplies I got. The pictures like this one, with the text at the top of it, that is what the client sent me as far as the consultation to show me what I would be doing during this job. Here's the garage, a few pictures of it from different angles, and then we have the shed that was before these pictures. And then also he has a little area of cans that need to be removed. Here it is right here. He wanted the cans removed. Lot of junk to be removed, a lot. They even have it up in the rafters. I mean, it was pretty much piled to the roof. The moment we opened the door, there were like 5 spiders that were poisonous. So before we could do anything, we had to start out by bombing this shed, like with 3 different bombs, and we did it 2 separate times just to ensure our safety during this job. I think it was a total of 6 loads that we took off from this job site. It was a lot. In a minute, you'll see everything spread across the yard and how crazy it got. This client, he really was on a deadline as far as selling the house and getting it ready to be sold. So we're on a time crunch, so it had to be done pretty quickly within the span of a few days. So I think we got this done in a week. Now we have arrived to the middle part of the junk removal job. I kind of cut it up into the beginning, the middle, and the end. This is definitely the middle. I got a lot of stuff out at this point. I didn't record while I was working because I wanted to get the job done. But when I took a break, I tried to show the camera. See, you can actually see the floor now. That would be the end of the video. We basically got all the junk removed out of the shed. Then it just needs to be put in a truck and hauled away. This shed was actually in really bad condition once we got the shed, everything off of the floor. It was not salvageable. The client asked for 3 things to be left behind: a rocking chair, a cast iron skillet stove, and a cedar hope chest. Here is where the building is gone. It's there one day and gone the next. So now we've moved on to the garage. Here is where I've gotten everything that's inside the garage and pulled it to the front and bagged it. It was pretty scary because of all the spiders, and we were not able to bomb this area. This is the truck with all the wood that we've accumulated. I did not get a picture of the truck with all of the first load that we took. Here we are, spick and span, completely different than what it was. My client was very impressed. He was very happy with the job that we did for him. Right here is where the cans used to live. They were all spread around here, they were everywhere, and now they're gone. This is the after. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Keep tidying.